Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Scotiabank has reduced the waiting time to clear checks deposited at ABMs. President and CEO of Scotia Group, David Noel, says checks deposited at ABMs can now be cleared immediately.
Gives you an opportunity. If you were to check deposit through the ATM and you have made that arrangement with your branch, you get immediate credit for that deposit. What that means is that you don't have to wait 3 to 5 days for that check to clear. You can immediately access those funds, because that's another way in which we can ensure that you can continue to do business without having to wait for things to be processed. Of course, I always say digital transfers are immediate. That's the fastest way to go. We encourage you to do that. But those of you who still receive checks and have to do those physical deposits, we give you immediate access to those funds.
Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in October lost 2 cents to settle at $55.35 a barrel. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $136.71. The Canadian dollar went for $103.83. The pound is going for $166.75, while the euro sells for $150.86. The JC index gained 415 points today, while the junior market index lost 31 points. Among the winners were Proven Investments, Paramount Trading, AMG Packaging and Paper, Elite Diagnostic, and Wigton Wind Farm. On the losing end were General Accident Insurance, Epley 7.5%, Preference Shares 138, Student Living, Jamaica Producers Group, and Alaska Distributors. And that's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.